welcome to my channel again, and I am in with my bird mystery, but oh, we go both sides. We're sleeping together. We're roommates. Wait, he's eating my bacon. How dare you? Do I only use this one sword? What I hated. I'm bad at one sword. I saw bacon. Maybe he's camper. Dead. I think this will be not easy. Yeah, kill him. Oh, he did me. A sheriff got me. Oh my god. Like and subscribe, guys, for more luck. Oh, that's the guy that I killed. Boing. Oh.
It's my turn because you died.
Wait, I have S. Oh, I have S. Cool. Get your phone if you want. Oh, I allow you. Just look at me instead. So guys, I'm with Sai Sai.
Can I try?
Wait.
Can I try?
Wait, I'm playing, okay? Okay,
You're the noob.
how dare you? How dare you call me that? Subscribe guys if Sai is super dumb.
No, but I think subscribe is Dylan's noob.
Oh
Or
guys.
the bacon.
How dare you? The sheriff is annoying. That's the sheriff who killed me. I'm gonna take revenge with that guy. Boom. Ah, I got killed.
It's my turn now.
Okay guys, it's Sai turn. Let's see how dumb he is.
Wow, subscribe is Dylan's more dumber than me.
Yeah, that's true. Sai is more dumber than me.
What the fuck?
It's my turn. Sai got food already.
Hey, that's not my fault. Papa, nagugawa ako. Pinagpintura.
Come get me then. Oh man, he got killed. Damn.
Oh, deserve.
Wait,
Hey,
I'ma do it cause yeah.
Hey, it's my turn.
How dare you, guy? You killing me? I'ma take revenge what you did. Oh, deserve.
Oh, deserve.
Wait!
It's my turn now.
You know you got it,
Guys, subscribe is Dylan's a cheater. He doesn't let me play. Oh, damn, it's my turn.
No. Play with your butt. What? I'm just being a nice guy. Deserve. I killed that guy.
Deserve.
Guys, Sai was no kill business. Wow, that guy's a great sheriff indeed. So guys, well, you know